welcome to the Furniture Flippers Guide. I'm Autumn, and today you're going to get to watch the fastest furniture flip in history. Okay, maybe not, but it's gonna be fast. We are going to take a desk that someone left in my driveway. Didn't ask me, they just left an old desk because they know I redo furniture and they assumed I wanted it. It is huge. It is a business desk and I don't really want it, but we're gonna get it out of my driveway. So we're gonna do the quickest, easiest furniture flip in history, and we're gonna modernize this desk and we're gonna sell it for a profit. I mean, I got it for free, so I can't complain, right? This desk is really pretty. It's just huge. So I'm gonna give it just a little bit of character by adding color to the drawers, and let's go sell this thing. Prep is key when refinishing a piece, so of course I had to clean this off with a TSP alternative from Fusion Mineral Paint. I emptied the drawers out and look at all the fun goodies they left me. Yay! I did find a fun surprise that I haven't seen in a long time. Do you remember these? Yeah, my kids have no idea what getting film developed is. The left side was faux drawers, and I decided to take all the hardware off and get those drawers started on getting paint on them. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that just so you can be sure you don't miss any of the fun tips, tricks, and furniture flips that I share here. So for the drawers that pull out, I went ahead and just hand painted those. I didn't do any taping, but if you feel like you want to be more specific and detailed on the lines, then go ahead and tape that off. This color is Ash by Fusion Mineral Paint, and it is gorgeous. It is a mix between like a gray and a black, and it has amazing coverage. On the other side, the faux drawers, I did go ahead and tape it off because there was a pretty big space in between. And look how beautiful those lines are. Tape removal is maybe one of the most satisfying things ever. So next up, I decided to just go with the natural color of the desk. The wood is beautiful. It really just needed a refresh. Oh yeah, and I have a Whataburger drink to help me get through that. But I used Restore Finish in the neutral color, and yeah, got a little bit much, but it just soaked right into the wood. The wood just needed that freshening, and look how gorgeous it looks. Refreshed all of the areas of the wood and then moved on to the hardware. It definitely needed some help. One of my favorite products that I use to refresh hardware is Rub and Buff, and this color is European Gold, and it just really brightens up the pieces, but also gives it kind of a matte, classic look. Two of the handles were broken whenever I received the desk, so I replaced them with handles from other pieces that I had before, and look at that. So unlike some projects, this one actually went really smooth. Easiest, quickest, hopefully most money-making DIY that I could do in an afternoon. That's the way to do it. So here's where we started, and here's the after. What do you think? Do you see the handle that I forgot to fix? I know, it drives me crazy too. I promise I fixed it in a minute. Look at this gorgeous wood. It just was already beautiful. It just needed some enhancement. And then look at these fun extras with the desk. There's a pull-out sliding area and a pop-up area for a computer. How cool is that? Love it. I'm so excited. I would love to know what y'all think. Be sure and tell me in the comments what you think of this flip. Would you do it? And would you have done anything different? And be sure to subscribe and check out all my other videos right here on the Furniture Flippers Guide.